Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Flights to find cheap tickets. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and open a tab. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for Google Flights, just like so, and click on search. Once you've done that, all you want to do is scroll down until you find google.com/flights, which is going to be this right here. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and choose your departure location. Let's just say Kathmandu for now, and then your arrival location. Let's say Thailand for now. Okay, Bangkok, Thailand. Then you want to simply go to departure and return. As you can see, if you scroll down, it will show you every single day worth of flight prices. As you can see, you can simply go ahead and scroll and look for the cheapest month, either this year or next year. As you can see, just like so. I'm just gonna go ahead and select one right here. Let's say July. And click on done. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on search. And as you can see, it will search for complete prices just like so. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.